This is
See
the
the
face.
face.
Face,
Eyes,
nose.
nose, mouth. You see?
Pointed nose.
Saan siya?
Ito siya. Uy,
Yeah. That's the
Face
face.
niya. Face.
See the face,
Ayan,
nose,
face,
and
nose, eyes.
Yeah,
Lips.
sometimes you can
Ah,
see the
yeah.
mouth
Yeah.
here. You see the mouth?
That's
The fingers.
yeah.
Hands.
Now
And
you can
then-
understand.
Yeah. The face.
Yeah.
Yeah,
See,
eyes.
it's coming high like
Yeah.
that. It's telling you.
See? Hi,
Maybe she's saying hello, mommy.
See the
Yeah.
fingers.
Hi.
Like that.
Para
Opening the
siyang
fingers.
inuuna na ano.
Mm.
Yeah.
See the face, no? No.
Yeah, looks like the father.
Mhm. Yeah, now also you can see the
Looks
mouth,
like
Yes.
nose, eyes.
See the nose?
Yeah, eyes, everything.
Eyes, yes.
Ah, like
hi
that.
baby.
She seems
Sometimes
like
it
Yomi.
opens the mouth.
Mouth, yeah.
Yeah. See?
Ang likot
She looks
niya.
like playing.
Yeah, inside what they will do now? Inside the fluid.
Looks
Yeah.
happy. Ayun o, yung mata niya.
Para siyang nagbubulaga.
Wow.
This is the happiest time in life, no? In
Yes.
the womb means they don't have any tension. Safe and secure.
She's happy.
No, the face can be seen very nicely,
Yes,
no?
very
No?
nicely.
Very clear.
Very clear. Hi,
Yeah.
baby. We're so excited to see you soon.
See you.
Maybe it understands all these talks and all.
Yeah.
She can hear us.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, even her father.
This is the right
she can
hand.
hear the voice of her father.
Yeah. You see, right hand here.
Ah.
This is the left hand. Okay, it's holding like this.
She's playing there.
Mm.
She's a girl.
Now
Do you think
there's.
so? Yeah. I have a strong feeling.
Ah,
Ganyang ano.